Hello guys, today I want to show you how we can design a sticker. So in this sticker design in Coreldraw, first you have to take note of your measurement of the sticker you want to design. First you come to your rectangle here. Under this rectangle, you select the rectangle. Then draw your rectangle, take the measurement size, you select it, come here, and then select the size. We want it to be 3.5 by 3.5. So we select 3.5, you key in, make sure this is open it, click here, so write 3.5, 3.5. Then ensure you lock it so that the size doesn't shake or it doesn't move out of that. So lock it. It has adjusted to 3.5 by 3.5. So now, first we get the details, which are shop with Annie, which was a very simple sticker. Shop with Annie. The next thing we went to, that was luxury. You write in luxury tops. The next thing we wrote pajamas slash nightwear. The next thing is beddings. Please stick to the end of this video so that you can see how we arrange this. And then we selected this, we cut it, and then we paste it again outside. This is the arrangement. So now we selected all, and then we selected one of our favorite from Montserrat, which we use Montserrat. This is it. You can download it on any platform of your choice. We have the font there. You can also download it there. Then then you change this to capital letter. This capital letter, luxury, and then come here, you see beddings, change it to capital letter. Select all, and then you see. So now then you press Ctrl E, then select all, then want to centralize it. Ctrl E, and then we'll readjust it like this, readjust. So now, then we'll select this, we change this font to, the name of the font is Futuristic. That is, you can download and install. Futuristic signature. Please take note of this signature. Please take note of the signature. Futuristic signature. Click on enter. It has changed. Then we'll change this to capital letter. Press caps lock and hold change. We'll also change this one to capital letter A. Then we'll readjust like this, and then you adjust. Then now we'll pick our background. We're looking for our background. Let's change it. This particular one, this N here, to capital letter as well. Then let's find our background. Then we'll select this background. We'll drag it to Coreldraw, paste here. Reduce the background by pressing Shift and hold like this. This in order. Select it and then drag. Right click and hold. Please, not left click. Right click and hold. When you come inside, you see it. It gives that circular cross. Then you leave it. It will tell you to power click in. Double click. Or if you don't want it to do like that, undo. You can select it like come to object, then click on power click. You see place inside. Select, then place inside. Double click to go inside and then select it. Press shift and hold to scale it up so that everything will come equally. You readjust like this. Click on finish. The reason why you're not seeing this is because it's black. Select all and change to white. Changing this thing to white means that you want it to be very bold for people to see. And then select this. Come to your shape tool here. Let's drag it down a bit. Drag it down like this. And then you see Ctrl K. This is Ctrl K. So that you break it so that it will be one entity. Select your rectangle here and then write like this. And then give it a color. Let's say red. You duplicate it by pressing shift and right click. Or if you don't want it like that, you can also copy and paste. Select it, copy, paste. then you can make your adjustment respectively. Do the same thing, copy and paste like that. You select this, and then you select here the outline. Remove the black outline. That is the one that is here. Look at it. You select, click no, and then you remove it. Then, as it's still selected, remember it's still selected like this. Then you can press shift page down. Shift page down. Downwards like this. Or control page down so that it will be going, you can be seen. Control page down here, then change the colors. We want to, for this, let's change this color to, let's say black, for instance. We'll change this to white. You see, you can change this to gold. You understand? See how we're trying to get the beauty. Let's align it. Select all like this. Press shift and then select the rectangle itself. And then press C. Everything I've aligned to center. So this is how we were able to do this simple sticker design. So we want to itemize it. Let's say we give it a red color. Let's remove it. I want to just give it bullet points. Select this and then remove the none. So you can see how it's looking like this. For this hanger that is here, we were able to download it. This hanger, which is symbolizing the logo of the brand, we downloaded this particular one. So the color is changeable. You can change it. We got it on Pinterest using trace. So to get that, you can equally go on your Pinterest like this. Select the Pinterest. Once it's open, come here. You say a hanger vector. As you can see, sorry. Let's go back. Look at the hanger vector here. Then look at it here. We selected it from here. Let it download so that we'll see. Look at it here. They will come to these three dots here. Click on it and then click on download. Under the download, you open the download from here. Select it and then copy. And then open it in Coreldraw. You paste it here. Look at it. So now we want to trace it so that we can be able to change that color itself. You select it like this. Come to trace. Come to outline trace. Come to logo trace. Let's wait for it to trace a bit. So now you can see it. Then click on OK. Remove the one behind, and then you have your own logo here. Readjust it. And then you can change the colors. As it is like this, you can change the colors differently. Let's move this away, and then this is it. This was how we're able to get this hanger and then use it as the logo. So please, if you have anything you want to ask, this is how you can do a very simple sticker, and then you can send for printing. Remember, always take the measurement of the sticker you want to design. Thank you, and please, if you love this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we hope to see you at the top. Thank you.